earth is just a dead thing you can claim, but I know every walking tree and creature has a life, has spirit, has a name. Think the only people who are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue boy moon, or asked the green buck that why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the Come run the hidden pine trails in the forest. Taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come rolling all the riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heaven and the other are my friends. And we are all connected to each other in a circle, and I hope that never ends. How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down